Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing well. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create an Apple ID directly from an Apple website. This is super handy if you don't have an iPhone yet or if you just prefer setting it up on a computer. So let's get started with the video. First, you can open any web browser that you have on your device. It doesn't have to be a specific website or web browser. Simply open one of the web browser and there you have to search for appleid.apple.com and simply hit the search button. Wait for it to load for a bit, and here when this kind of interface comes up, simply tap on this drop down menu right here and you'll see the options like sign in, create your Apple account and FAQ. You have to tap on create your Apple account right here. Fill out the form like your first name, your last name and a country/religion, your birthday and your email. This email will become your new Apple ID, so choose wisely. Create a strong password and confirm it later on here. Choose a security questions for added protection as well and type in the captcha code to verify you are not a bot. It will be available right here as you can see. Apple will then send a verification code to your email. Simply enter it here and confirm. Once done, congratulations. Your Apple ID is created and ready to use on any Apple device or services that you own. And that's it guys, you have successfully created your Apple ID from the website. Now you can sign in to the App Store, iCloud or any Apple services that you might want to. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe and thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.